Good morning. This is Jack from Charting the Markets Crypto, and this is the pre-market webinar for the morning of Monday, the 23rd of December. My disclaimer: I do this for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some of what I'm doing and learn from it, transfer it to your own charts. So I'm not here to issue trading signals. Right? Okay. Looking at Bitcoin, the RSI 14 sell signal. Well, what I was talking about when I was before the Fed last week, I was leaning towards seeing more upside on both equities and crypto. Now I think equities are topping out and crypto is likely doing the same. I've got some prospects for that, but during this process, the RSI 14 daily sell signals on all of Bitcoin, Solana, and Ethereum should make a target. We're down significantly below the 50 level on this one here. It really needs to get down to about 35. To make the possible near miss target. Now we are at the daily lower band and we are testing the 50-day MA support. On the hourly chart, we've got an RSI 14 buy signal fixed, and on the 15-minute chart, I am wondering whether we could be forming a head and shoulders here. And that I've drawn in here as well. It's not an amazingly great head and shoulders, but it's not bad either. I am wondering whether this is forming here, and we will see. If it is forming here, then we'd be forming the right shoulder, and the ideal right shoulder high would be in about the 100k area. All right, looking at Solana. Solana, we saw a bit of a bounce. We didn't see as much of a bounce as we saw on equities on Friday, which surprised me slightly. We're still pretty close to the lows on Solana, and the RSI 14 sell signal has now made target over the weekend. So that is now gone. Looking at the hourly chart, we've got an RSI 14 buy signal fixed here too. No obvious trend line support. This could be a double bottom, but I'd prefer to have made the second low of the double bottom before I did that. No divergence on the 15-minute. And no really obvious pattern or reversal pattern here. We will see how it goes. We've got a potential little double bottom here, but honestly, it's so small relative to price that I'm wondering if I should even mention it. All right, Ethereum. We've got an RSI 14 sell signal fixed. This has got most of the way to the top, to the near miss target, having got to under 40 nil, and really near miss is in about the sort of 33 to 37 area. So I'm thinking we're likely to be reaching that in the short term. I'd be wondering about a resistance at the daily middle band, currently in about the 35.50 area. On the hourly chart, we don't have any positive divergence here, and I would note that we've got a double top here, which was nice and was the only one which had a decent reversal pattern at the high. And this has broken down with the target in the 206 to 209 area. It could head off and make that target. We will have to see how that goes. All right, great. In that case, I think that's a wrap. I'm leaning towards on equities seeing a couple more days rally here, and then any time from when we get back on Thursday after Christmas to any time in the next few days afterwards, I'm expecting to see a second leg down. So far on cryptos, this rally's been a bit disappointing. I don't think it's failed yet. I think we'll likely get another leg up. Not 100% sure about that, though, so we shall see. All right, great. In that case, I'm looking for questions. Is the chart going down? Yeah, I am. Well, I'm thinking if it's going with equities are due a retracement. They really are overdue. And it looks like the trouble I was expecting to start towards the end of the month or beginning of next month has arrived now. So I think we're topping out. We've broken some significant trend lines. I think it makes sense the market's going to go down. And it's really been, the cryptos have been tracking the equity market pretty well. I'm expecting that to probably change next year for some of it, but it hasn't changed yet. We will see. All right, great. In that case, I think it's a wrap. I will be back tomorrow morning, I believe. I'll post on Twitter if I'm not going to do one, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to be doing both of the pre-market webinars tomorrow morning. And I'll see you then. All right, cheers.